Flooded roads in Lisbon is just one of the scenes in Portugal after the country was slammed by heavy rains. An orange alert has been issued. In the capital, authorities are using military equipment to help drain floodwaters, which has caused millions of euros in damage for the second time in the space of a few days. The same storm then moved over to its neighbor Spain, where heavy rains also flooded roads and homes. The worst hit place was the country's western Extremadura region, where a major highway had to be closed. In France, the snow is causing traffic chaos. France's second largest city, Lyon, struggled with the cold weather on Tuesday. Parisians have been told to not venture out on Wednesday as more snow is expected to disrupt the transport network. People have been advised to work from home if possible. Over in the United States, Colorado dealt with heavy snow and periods of freezing rain. And in Texas, communities were faced with a line of thunderstorms that brought tornadoes, damaging winds, hail, and heavy rain.